Stop. I'm doing YouTube right now. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use Goku, the knockoff, of course. I'm gonna use it after this round, and after this, I'm gonna end the video after this. Okay? What? Yeah, Max, because you weren't. No, yeah. Here, after this game, yeah, I'm using this man right here, right now. After this, I'm gonna end recording, and then hope you guys have a good day. And like again, subscribe, like the video, and please get me to 100 subscribers, because you guys already got me to 72. So hope you guys can do that. The ball. Enter. Give me that, boy. Yeah, you can see how OP that is. For starters, I will try getting Rufus, and the rest, save it for Goku, and then it might be good, okay? Save up. I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to my friends, from the people I'm recording. And I always do that, because it's OP. Clash. Peace, I'm out. Oh my gosh. Chaotic. I can use my death ball. Man, I can't use my death ball. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I died. Oh my gosh, I almost died. I know. Yeah, someone's gonna die right now. Okay, goodbye guys. Hopefully guys you have a good game. End the video. Peace out. Subscribe, like the video, comment. Bye.